Hey, my lovely learners! Welcome back. I'm Alisa. Today we are diving into past actions. Super fun. Because now you can tell stories in Chinese. You will learn how to say things like, I bought clothes. I went shopping yesterday. She bought something pretty. And we will use examples from real life, like online shopping, buying coffee, getting groceries, all the things we do every week. Ready? Let's go. Here are today's useful words. L, 买东西，苹果，衣服，漂亮，商店，网上，咖啡，礼物。Let's put them in real life dialogues talking about what you did yesterday. 昨天我去商店买东西了。It means yesterday I went shopping. Talking about what you bought. 我买了一点苹果。It means I bought some apples. 她买了不少漂亮衣服。It means she bought quite a few pretty clothes. Let me give you more modern examples. 我买了咖啡。It means I bought coffee. 我在网上买了衣服。I bought clothes online. 我买了一个礼物。I bought a gift. 我没买东西。I didn't buy anything. 我去超市了。I went to the supermarket. Let's have a mini dialogue. 你昨天做什么了？ What did you do yesterday? 我去商场了，买了一点东西。I went to the mall and bought some things. 买了什么？ What did you buy? 买了2件衣服，很漂亮。It means I bought 2 pieces of clothing. They are really pretty. Okay, grammar tips are coming. Look for past actions. Structure like this. Verb plus l plus object. For example, 我买了苹果。Or you put l at the end. For example, 我去商店了。It means I went to the store. Great for emphasizing the completion of the action. Negative form, very important. How to use 没 For example, 我没买东西。It means I didn't buy anything. 我没去。I didn't go. Your turn. Tell me, 你最近买了什么？ What did you buy recently? Amazing! You used the l correctly, and your sentence was so natural. Talking about past actions means you can now share stories, talk about your day, and chat like a real native speaker. I'm so proud of your progress. Seriously. You are doing amazing. Great job today. You just learned how to talk about your past. Shopping, going places, buying things, and these are topics that you will use all the time. Next time something happens in your day, try thinking in Chinese. 我做了什么? The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. See you in the next lesson. 再见。